to something about nothing. What we've got here today is a little review on this camera stand, phone stand, GoPro stand, selfie stick, and it's a Ven Dems make. There's the number of the actual product. I'll put a link in the description of the main website and possibly where you can buy this in the shop. I think they're around about 20 quid. It's got on here you can hold up a camera. I've got a Sony SV-1 and it's quite weighty, and I noticed when this is on full extension it extends to 1.7 meters, and the camera, as I was sort of like swaying from side to side, it started dropping down on the actual stem, because this is quite heavy, because it's got a crash frame around it and everything, plus the wide angled lens and all that sort of stuff. But what it is here, you've got the actual gizmo here, you've got this bit, you've got a clamp, you've got this one for camera mounts, fits all most of the cameras like GoPro, things like that, and then any other accessory if you want to put it on there. This is the actual phone. You tighten it up and you've got these little clips that unopen, and the top slides out. I using a iPhone, and this has got a heavy duty case on it as well, and it still fits inside here with ease, and it grabs it really nice. So because I did buy a cheaper version on Amazonia, and the clips didn't actually hold it in, so it just about gripped it, and when I was recording with it, it was very creaking, and when you extended it right out, the foam was flopping from side to side, so it weren't that good. This has got a remote switch, Bluetooth, for recording. It's just one switch on the side. It goes into pairing mode, and obviously you pair it up to your phone, and then it's ready to go. As soon as you go on camera, you can press it and obviously take the photos, and also on record you can press it and press record. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's got a really nice sturdy base on it that unclips from the bottom, opens up quite wide, really nice sturdy base. I'll show you it on the floor and show you what happens. So as you can see, right at the bottom, quite a nice footprint, and the bottom is about 350 all the way around, three legs, extends right the way up to 1.7 meters, but it is a bit, it's on the sway side. If if the wind catched it, if it was outside. Inside the house, it's going to be brilliant for your vlogging or doing whatever you're going to do. So you can just extend that down. You got the arm here that comes out, and you can take this switch off for press it for recording, switching off. Doesn't come with a battery. You have to get your battery. So this bit will flop down, and this bit will be for a camera, but I put my camera on here, and it was really swaying from side to side if you touched it, so outside in the wind there'd be no chance. Plus the weight of the camera was slowly pushing it down till it got down to, I don't know, 3-4 foot, then it stopped. So pretty good. And And this is I say, like, once you got it in, like, with the legs folded up, it's in like pure selfie mode. You can see how far that camera is out. It's about it's about 8 foot away from me. Adjust the camera in so you're in like selfie mode, but it is quite a workout on your arm. Pure selfie mode from there. How far away it is. So it's quite a reach, but it is quite heavy. Like, time you get the weight of that on the camera, on the actual stick. So, but yeah, pretty pleased. I'm really pleased with it, actually. Plus, also, it folds up. Put it in your backpack, or if you've got deep pockets, you can put it in there as well. So the only thing I'd done was I changed was the camera locking nut that was on there is really thin and quite awkward to get hold of, so I used one of my other ones that I had. You can get a better grip on it, but the only thing is it doesn't pass through the slot in here. So if I'm going to use this to, you know, to get it into shot, I have to take this off, but it's no issue. So, Ven Dems selfie stick camera holder, Bluetooth, will go match up to, you know, iPhones, Androids. That's obviously got a Bluetooth function. So, yeah, link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.